Hello friends, welcome to a new Adobe After Effects tutorial. Firstly, watch the preview of this tutorial. To perform this technique, we first select a suitable frame and viewpoint for filming. We place the camera on a tripod to ensure stability. Next, we position the character in different parts of the frame and record the footage. Then, we import the footage into Adobe After Effects and begin the masking process with the use of keyframes. Thanks for watching and joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button for more amazing content like this. Stay tuned.